Changing the battery is very simple. First, remove this cover. Now, from the key fob, what you need to do is remove the manual key outside and insert the end of the key into this gap here and turn it. And that's how you remove this enclosure. Once that's done, the battery is exposed. This is a CR2032 battery, as you can see here. Just pop out the battery. You don't need any tools for it. Now, for the replacement battery, we have a Maxell CR2032 here. Maxell is a good brand as far as batteries are concerned. Maxell, Panasonic, these are all very good brands. And this one, this is made in Japan. I think I must have got it for rupees 80 or 90 from a local store. Just remove this. Insert the battery inside. Replace the cover. You should hear a very firm click there. Insert the manual key inside. That's it. And replace the cover. It's very important to have a rubberized cover like this, guys. It helps your key when you accidentally drop the key. So please consider buying a good silicone or rubber cover like this one. I've dropped my key umpteen times, and probably this cover has saved the key from being broken into so many pieces.